Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. I have found another free full stack AI coder and its name is Firebase Studio. Here you see the full stack AI workspace and they have given one simple definition. Firebase Studio accelerates your entire development lifecycle with AI agents, build backends, frontends and mobile apps all in one place. So this is amazing that you will be able to build both web application and mobile application all in one place. Okay, and here you see this is cool UI and like the VS Code that you have used, but it is AI powered. Okay, and this is also one simple prompt section where you will be able to give your prompt, the code you will generate, the application you will generate, and there you will be able to choose the stack like backend, frontend, like Java, and also this Angular, React, Node.js, and many other stacks are there. Okay, so when I will implement that, you will be able to see that. And also they have written one thing that get to work quickly wherever you are. So that means go from opening your browser to building in minutes, not hours. So that means normally what happens that when we open anything in our browser or in our code editor, it takes some times to open that or to build that. But if you do that in this Firebase Studio, that will take only minutes, not hours. Okay, and also you can import your existing repositories from the GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket or your local machine. Okay, now another thing is that if I show you the technology that they have used, here you see Firebase Studio is an agentic cloud-based development environment that helps you build and see production quality full stack AI apps, including APIs, backends, frontend, mobile, and more. And the technology that they have used, here you see uh, Firebase Studio fuses tools like Project IDX, Genkit, and Gemini in Firebase. Okay, so Genkit, if I show you the repositories, so they have used this Genkit to make this Firebase Studio application. So what is Genkit? Here you see an open source framework for building AI powered apps with familiar code centric patterns, and Genkit makes it easy to develop, integrate, test AI features with observability and evaluations. Okay, so that's why they have used this Genkit to build their Firebase Studio application. Now, you remember that previously we discussed about the Project IDX. So now you see that if you open that Project IDX website, you will find this message that Project IDX is now Firebase Studio with some more features. Okay, previously Google had that this Project IDX their own ID, but now it is connected with this Firebase Studio with some extra features. So now how to use this? This is the link that I have given in the description. So if you go to this Firebase Studio, you will find this page, and here click on this try Firebase Studio. Now after that, you will be logged into their UI. You have to select the email, and after that, here you see that this is the UI. Here you will be able to give the prompt, and here new workspace you can select, and if you have already one repo, then you can import that, and here you will be able to choose the stack. Here you see that multiple stacks are there like Go, Python, Flask, Java, .NET, and this Android Studio is for the mobile app, and also this Flutter for the mobile app, and Angular, Next.js, Node Express. Okay, there are multiple stacks are there, and for this database there is a MongoDB, and also if I click on this arrow here you see that React Native plus Expo. This is for the React Native mobile app. So that means you can build three kind of app here, like this React Native app or Flutter app or this Android Studio. So this is very much helpful, and now we are interested to build a web app, so that's why we will click on this Next.js. Okay, and here you see that the language that I have to choose, I will choose this JavaScript. I will make it as a simple, right? And use tailwind, yes. Use app router, yes. And use source directory, yes. Now click on this create, but before that you have to give one app name. We'll make it as a delivery app. Okay, now click on this create. Now here you see that it will take some time to build that. Now I will click on this accept, continue. So I am making it from the scratch so that you can understand, because when you will do the same, you will be also go through the same steps. Okay, so first is the setting up workspace, then after that initialization, and here you see this is the same UI like the VS Code, And basically in case of Project IDX, there was the same UI, but this Firebase Studio has some extra features than the Project IDX, right? And here you see that it is doing the npm install by default, installing the dependencies. Now I want to add some more features. Now for that, so follow my cursor. Here you see that there is a Gemini option is available. Here you see uh, this is a Gemini. So if I go to this Gemini, you will see this is the prompt section that you will get, and here you will find one drop down. Here you see the select a model. If you click on this, you will find all of the models like Gemini 2.5 Pro Experimental and this Gemini 2.0 Flash and Gemini 2.0 Pro, and also you can add one custom model ID. So basically all the Gemini models that is available on the market and which are actually for the coding, so that is they have integrated here. And now if I choose any model, and after that here you see that it is asking for the API key. So here I have to give my API key here. Now for that, what I will do, I will go to my Google AI Studio. So if I go to my Google AI Studio, here you see that this is the API key section. Okay, and now here I have created already my API key. So I will copy my API key. Now if you have not any API key, then in that case go to this page aistudio.google.com. I have given the link in the description. And now here you have to click on this create API key. Now this is a simple process that you have to do. Okay. Now I will choose my API key and paste it there. Okay. So here I will paste it, and after that it is done. And now if I select this model again, and here it is selected. Now here also I can change my theme. So if I go to the settings, it is same like the VS Code. So here there is a settings option on the left hand corner. Now if I click on this themes, now choose the color theme, and here I'll choose this dark theme. And yes, now it got dark mode. Now what I'll do, I will go to this wave. Here you see that there is a wave option. This is the wave. Now if I click on this wave, you will see that this is the basic Next.js app that is they have provided. Okay, now I will choose change this Next.js app to my requirement. So in that case I will go to this Gemini again, forward slash, and after that click on this generate. Okay, and what I'll do, I will paste my app features. Okay, so the app features that I have there: design an interface for a delivery service app focusing on order tracking and real-time map updates, include options for rating and tipping the delivery person after the completion. So this is the complex features. Now I will click on the send prompt, and now here you will see that it is writing the code. Okay, so it is asking for run terminal command. Yes. So here you see that on the left hand side, currently under the src, it will make one component folder. Yes, this is the component folder, and inside these components here you see that currently no components are there, but it is asking me to create a file, this delivery tracker.js. Yes, create this file. You see that within a second my delivery tracker.js file got created, and after that it is adding some more features. Yes, create file. You see that on the left hand side it has added these two file under this component. Okay, here you see that there is a wave. You have to click on this wave to get the preview. Now here you see that currently it is showing this Next.js and blah blah blah. Why? Because if I go to my page.js, and there this previously built-in template is there, so now I have to remove this template. Okay, and if you don't want to do it manually, in that case you can ask it that please remove this template from this page.jsx, and now it will do that. Okay, now inside this div, what I'll do, I will place this delivery rating component. Okay, so for this video purpose, just I am showing you one component that how it actually works. Here you see that you can import that things also. Now if I save this file, if I refresh it, you will find the. Oh, let me check what is the error. Yes, I got it because I am using this Next.js. So that's why I have to mark this file as a use client. Here you see that it is also telling that I have to mark it as a use client. This is the common error in Next.js. Okay, so so here you see that it is also telling you the what is the process that you have to follow to fix the error, right? So this is actually amazing. Now if I refresh this file, and yes, this is one component, rate your delivery by Alex. So here you see that it is working. This rating component is also working fine. Okay, so if I click on this 3 rating, it is 3 rating. If I click on this 4 rating, it is 4 rating, and now it is 5 rating. Okay, so it is working, and submit feedback, it is also working, but we need to modify it. It is okay that we need to modify it, but the thing is that it is working fine. Okay, now similarly, uh, so now I have this two component delivery rating, delivery tracker. Now I need to provide this Gemini that yes, you have added these things. Now I need these features, and now connect these two component and make it functional. Okay, so in this way you have to build the entire app. Okay, now let me show you another interesting thing. How do you see that if you want to change anything, like this is the code inside this delivery tracker.js, one single file. I have chosen one code snippet. Okay, so you want to change particular this code snippet, so just choose this code snippet, and after that follow my cursor. Here you see that there is a icon, this star type of icon. This is the icon. So if you click on this, here you see that explain selected code, add comments for the selected code, do anything with selected code, and this generate unit test. Okay, and start inline chat with Gemini. So you will get all of these options. So for the particular selected code also, you can do anything you want, right? So all of these features you will get here, right? So I hope you got the point that why it is helpful. And if you want to share it with anyone, in that case, here you see that on the right hand corner there is a open in new window, and if you click on this, here you see that this type of pop-up you will see. Let me show you again. If I click on this type of link you will see, and you can copy this or open it in a new window. Okay, now the thing is that after building the application, you want to deploy it. Okay, so in that case, on the left hand side you see that there is an icon Firebase Studio. Now here you see that host web app with Firebase base. Okay, so in that case you can use the Firebase as a database, and also there is an option deploy to Cloud Run, and also there is a many option like add Google Maps platform. So many things that you can do. So I think this video is helpful for you guys, and if you found helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video if you found helpful, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section.